Today, we'll walk you through the full process of using the phone case fixture designed for iPhone models. The full set includes 1 phone case mold, 5 filler blocks, and 9 lens pads. Now, this diagram shows exactly where each of the 5 filler blocks should go. These blocks help fill in the gaps, support the case, and improve heat transfer during pressing. This fixture is designed specifically for iPhone models. You can pick the right filler blocks and lens pad depending on your phone case size. Now let's walk through the whole process step by step. Set the appropriate temperature and time according to your phone model. Step 1. Place the fixture into your phone case heat press. Step 2. Based on your phone case model, place the filler blocks onto the fixture. Then preheat it for about 5 minutes. During this time, you can also dry your printed sublimation film on the heat press. Step 3. Next, choose the right lens pad and use heat-resistant tape to stick it inside the phone case. Make sure the tape doesn't cover any vent holes. Step 4. Now press down firmly on the lower left corner of the phone case. This helps compress the fixture, making it fit better and easier to handle. Place the sublimation film on top, and you're ready to press. Once the countdown ends, peel off the film. And that's it, your iPhone case is done.